In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous versions in Google Sheets. We've all been there, making one too many changes to a spreadsheet and wishing we could go back in time to an earlier version. Thankfully, Google Sheets has a feature that allows you to do just that, and it's both straightforward and powerful. So let's walk through the process together. First, with your Google Sheet open, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the option labeled File. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with various options. Look through the list and you'll notice an option called Version History. This is the gateway to all your past spreadsheet states and just what we need to access today. Once you click on Version History, a secondary menu will appear. Here, you'll find an option that says See Version History. Give that a click and you'll be guided to a new sidebar that opens on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is your time machine, filled with the versions that Google Sheets automatically saved as you made changes to your spreadsheet. It's a handy feature that works quietly in the background, capturing each edit and change along the way. Take a moment to glance through the timeline presented in the sidebar. You'll see a list of save points, each with corresponding timestamps and possibly some descriptions if you or someone else added them. These represent snapshots of your spreadsheet at various stages. Now it's time to select the version you wish to return to. Simply click on the version in the sidebar that best suits your need or where you'd like to go back to. Once you've selected your desired version, you'll notice a blue button appear that says Restore this version. Clicking on this button is a critical step, as it initiates the restoration process of your spreadsheet to that particular state. Google Sheets, ever user-friendly, will ask for one final confirmation with another question, a straightforward prompt, simply asking if you wish to restore. Click Restore here, and just like that, your spreadsheet reverts to the earlier version you chose. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully restored a previous state of your spreadsheet. This feature is particularly useful for peace of mind, especially when multiple users are making changes over time. Remember, it's always a smart idea to periodically check your version history, especially before making major edits or when collaborating with a team. This approach ensures your important data is never lost, and you can always retrace your steps if needed. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you navigate your Google Sheets with more confidence.